In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube TV account. This is a great way to enjoy a variety of live TV channels, sports, news, and more through your internet connection. Whether you're new to streaming or just looking to expand your viewing options, setting up a YouTube TV account is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can start watching in no time. First, let's begin by navigating to the YouTube TV website. Open your preferred web browser and type YouTube TV into the search bar. This will take you directly to the website where you'll have access to all the features and packages they offer. Once you're on the homepage, find the link to YouTube TV and give it a click. You'll be redirected to a page that provides more detailed information about their services. Now that you're on the YouTube TV site, look for the option to sign up for a trial. Typically, this is highlighted on the home page, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Click on the trial sign up button, which will allow you to explore YouTube TV's offerings before committing to a subscription. This trial is a great way to experience the platform without any initial financial investment, allowing you to decide if it's the right fit for your entertainment needs. Next, to set up your account, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you already have a Google account, simply enter your credentials in the provided fields and follow the prompts. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. This step is crucial as YouTube TV operates through Google's infrastructure and leverages your account for personalized recommendations and billing. Now, it's essential to mention that YouTube TV is currently available only in the United States. If you're accessing from another location, you won't be able to utilize this service due to regional restrictions. However, if you're within the US, you can continue without any concerns. It's important to ensure your internet connection is stable throughout this process, as this ensures smooth streaming later on. By following these steps, you're now well on your way to enjoying YouTube TV's diverse content library. You have the freedom to explore live TV, on-demand shows, and recordings, all of which can enhance your viewing experience. If any issues arise during this setup, YouTube provides comprehensive support and FAQs on their website, which can address common problems and concerns. And that's it. You've successfully created a YouTube TV account. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching your favorite shows and channels. Thank you for joining me, and happy streaming.